Hi, I'm Randall Dickinson, and this is my presentation of Milestone 3 for Computer Science 451, Introduction to Database Systems. All right, here we have my Python code for Milestone 3, and I'm going to go ahead and run it. Run without debugging here. All right, so we have that loaded up, and what I'm going to do is walk through each of the use cases as outlined in Appendix A. The first one, the user selects a state, city, and zip code. So here I'm going to select the state Ohio, city Cleveland, 44113, and there we go. When the search button is pressed, the business and that state, city, zip code are displayed. So here we are. The following information is provided for each business returned in the search result. We have the business name, address and city, and then right here, the business ratings is what I call stars right here. Number of reviews, that's the review rating right there. And then the number of check-ins that is displayed for every single business in this zip code. Use case 2. User has selected a zip code, so I am displaying the number of businesses in the zip code, the total population of the zip code, and the average income of the employees in the zip code. I also have here, similar to what was shown in the diagrams, some top categories as well. And then the use case 3, the user might refine the results by specifying a business category. The search will return the businesses which belong to the selected category. So here, let's say we want to just see bars. Here we go. And those all look like they might be bar names. And then how about we try hair salons? All right, and those look like they're hair salons. So that's looks like it's working pretty well. And finally, the last use case, which is analyzing the business properties and identifying businesses that may be classified as either popular or successful. I outlined earlier what I defined as a popular successful business in the Milestone 2 metrics. So here I've implemented that. And you can see right here, popular businesses. These are businesses which within the last few years of this data being published. I believe 2017 is the most recent data. Is the only stuff that counts towards popularity. And the more recent it is, the more it counts for popular. And number of reviews and their stars really factor into that very heavily. So here I have some information with a popularity rating. Here we choose something like that, and you can see some of these are very popular. Then I also have successful businesses. These are ones which, by parsing the review data over many years, show a lot of good reviews and many check-ins over the course of many years. So, for example, let me see. Well, a lot of the most popular are also the most successful. But here we can see the most successful is not the most popular. This one right here, significantly more popular, so it most likely sprung up very recently. And you can see it actually has a pretty low success rating. It probably indicates that it's just a very new business. But overall, that shows the different popular and successful businesses, or if you just want a general sort of outline, we can change it to the zip without specifying. There we have just for the zip code as well. So I think that finishes it. Those are all the use cases that were required for Milestone 3. So I hope you like the presentation. Thank you.